Yes. Very good evening to both of you.
Yes.
The first topic here today, rational and irrational numbers. Yes.
Yes.
And we already discussed in the previous classes, imaginary numbers or real numbers. For example, if x is equal to 4, square root x, which means square root x on the place of x, you can mention minus 4. Because x is equal to 4, substitute on the place of x, that is 4, square root of minus 4 is an imaginary number. Generally, square root 4 is equal to 2. Square root 4 is equal to 2 because 2 square is equal to 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. We can know that. But
Yes.
what about square root of minus 4? It's an imaginary number. We
Impossible.
can imagine it, but we can't get real value. Square root of 5 is imaginary, but square root of 5 is a real. We can get the solution. So this is called as imaginary numbers over here. And thus, square root of every negative number is an imaginary number. And if the number is not imaginary, it's a real number. Fine?
Yes.
Now, you can see that real numbers. Real numbers, again, two types. One is rational number, other one is irrational number. Rational numbers, 0, a positive values, 5 by 8, 2 by 9, or minus 8, all are the rational numbers. Irrational numbers in the sense of square root 5, square root 3, minus square root 8. It's not a square root of minus 8. Totally difference is there. Once you can observe, minus square root of 8, square root of minus 8, both are different. This is imaginary number. This is real
Yes.
number. Yes, 2 minus root 7, these are all rational numbers. Now again, the rational numbers are two types: integers, non-integral relations. Integers means including 0, 1, 2, 3 all positive numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on the negative numbers over here. And non-integral relations, 8 by 15, minus 5 by 8, 2 and 3 by 7. 2 and 3 by 7, we can do that. 2 into 7, 14 plus 3, 17 by 7, easily. So it's a non-integral relation. Again, integers are, again, negative integers, 0, positive integers. So negative integers in the sense of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, you know that. Positive integers, 1, 2, 3. Again, from 0 to positive integers, these are all the whole numbers. Whole numbers we are indicating with letter W. A by B is a rational number. A by B is a rational number. In this case, the first point we have to remember, B is not equal to 0. B, if it is 0, what will happen? A by 0, which is infinitive. It's not a rational number. So B
Yes.
must should not equal to 0. A and B have no common factor. For example, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, like that it should not. Yes, it's equal to 1, it will come. B means B part, denominator, usually positive. A may be positive or negative, that's different case. Now the second point where we have to remember, every integer and every decimal number is a rational number. So for example, corresponding to every rational number, A by B, negative rational number is minus A by B. So minus A by B is equal to A by minus B. Anything also possible. Fine. Just I'll tell you in another way. So an example, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, can you write 2 by minus 3?
Yes.
whatever that is minus 2 by 3 only, right? Either
Yes.
numerator or denominator, if anyone is negative, then the total fraction itself negative only. Minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Anything. Now say an example. Another one. Two rational numbers a by b is one rational number. C by d another rational number. Yes, both are equal, which means a by b is equal to c by d. Now in this case what happened? Do cross multiplication. A into
Yes.
d is equal to b into c.
Into C.
A into d is equal to b into c. Now a by b is greater than c by d, which means a into d is greater than b into c. Clear? A
Yes.
by b is greater than c by d, which means cross multiplication you do. A into d is greater than b into c. Now a by b is less than c by d, which means a into d is less than b into c. Are you following?
Yes.
Now next question you see. If any two rational numbers a and b, a is one rational number, b is another rational number, what will happen? That average a plus b by 2 is also the rational number which lies between a and b. I'll tell you another example. For example, 1 comma 2, two numbers you can take it. What is the center of that? 1 plus 2 by 2, which is the center, right? So
Yes.
similar way, a and b are the two rational numbers. A plus b by 2 is the center number of that.
Yes.
Now a is greater than b. What will happen? A is greater than a plus b by 2 is greater than b. Sometimes a is less than b, which means a is less than a plus b by 2 is less than b. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
These points, please note it down. Now the question is, insert three rational numbers between 3 and 5. Yes, right? Say an
Yes.
example.
Yes.
There is a line, you can take it. This is 0. This is 1. This is 3. This is 5, something. Now, between 3 and 5, what are all the next three numbers we have to see? Now, 3 and 5, the center point, if you calculate, then that is first point. Between these two, 1 point. Now, the center point, how it will come? 3 plus
4.
5 by 2.
4.
Yes, na? 3 plus 5 by 2, how much? 8 by 2, which means 4. 4 is a point. Now, can you calculate between one more point between 3 and 4? Yes, na?
3. Yes.
So 3 plus 4 by 2,
3.5.
which means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 you can put it. Other than 3.5, 7 by 2 is one more number. Between 4 and 5 we can find out one more number, right? So which is 4 plus 5 by 2, which is 9 by 2. So what are all the numbers we got it between 3 and 5? 7 by 2, 4, 9 by 2.
And now
These three numbers, because they asked three rational numbers. So 7 by 2, 4, 9 by 2. Yes, na?
yes.
So this is the way. And 7 by 2 you can write 3 and half. 9 by 2 you can write 4 and half. Center point is 4. Yes, na? So this is the way. Now, next question we can see. There are infinite many rational numbers between each pair of rational number. For example, For a rational numbers a by b and c by d, a plus c by b plus d is also rational number which its value lying between a by b and c by d. As an example, consider
Yes.
the rational numbers between 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5, what are all the rational numbers? 3 means 3 by 1, 5 means 5 by 1. So 3 is less than 5, we know that. Yes? Now,
Yes.
3 plus 5 by 2, how much? 8 by 2, which
8.
means 4. 4 means 4 by 1. 3 by 1, less than 4 by 1, less than 5 by 1. Yes, na?
Yes.
Now, between 3 and 4, we can find out one more number. What it is? 3 plus 4 by 2, which means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is
Yes.
one more. Again, between 4 and 5, you can find out one more number, which means 4 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. So this is the way also we can able to get it. Clear? Next
Yes.
we will see. Yes. Method for finding large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Here, which method we are using? Say an example, x comma y are the two rational numbers such that x is less than y. Yes. Now, in order
Yes.
to find the nth rational number between x and y, which means the difference between x and y, d is equal to y minus x by n plus 1. This is the formula.
What's
Now,
D?
the difference between the two numbers, actually, this is the formula, y minus x by n plus 1. Then,
Yeah.
n rational numbers between x and y, how to write? X, x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, so on, x plus nd. Now, in example 1, we given one question, 3 and 5, between that, how many numbers are there? So, between 3 and 5, here n is equal to 3. N is equal
Yes.
to 3 rational numbers we have to find out between 3 and 5. One more method I'm saying, d is equal to y minus x by n plus 1. Y value here 5, x value here 3. How many rational numbers? 3 rational numbers. N means 3. So that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the difference. Means 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. Yes. 3
Yeah.
plus 2 into 1 by 2. 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. If you do that
Yes.
also, you will get the same thing.
4.5. 5. 5.5.
Fine.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, please note it down. Yes. I want to give one more question to you.
Yes.
Between 3 and 5, you got it while using this formula. I need that the same, while using the same formula, can you find out 4 rational numbers between 7 and 9?
Yes.
Between 7 and 9, 4 rational numbers. Can you find out?
Yes. Yes. 4.
What is n value?
4. 4.
Fine. X value?
7.
Y value?
9.
Fine. While using the formula, what is the d value?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. So x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus
Yes.
3d, and x plus 4d. Yep.
Yes.
So what are all the values you got it?
7 and 2 by 5.
Mm-hmm.
2. 7. 4 by 5.
Okay.
And 7. 6 by. Wait. 7, 6. 8. 1 by 5.
Mm-hmm.
1 by, and 2 by 5 times 4. 7, 8. But 8 and 3 by 5.
Yes, very good, children. Now, this example 2 is there. Find the 4 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. While using the same formula, can you able to calculate?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what are all the answers you got it?
Yes. 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, and 24 by 30.
Excellent. So these are all the 4 rational numbers.
Yes.
Is Kailash also got it or still he is doing?
I'm still doing it.
Fine,
Oh,
fine.
I forgot to simplify.
Not necessary. It's okay, fine. Now, this is one more kind of question. The 3 rational numbers between 2.6 and 3.1. There are the decimals now. So what you can
I can
do?
still do it.
Yeah, 2.6 and 3.1. 2.6 plus 3.1 by 2. That will be 2.85 will come. Again 2.6 to 2.85. That average you can calculate. 2.85 to 3.1. That average you can calculate. So finally that values you are writing over here. Fine. This is one
Yes.
method. And the second method is as per that x and y. X and y. D is equal to y minus x by n plus 1 is there now.
Yes.
According to that also we can able to do that. So please try to solve between 2.6 and 3.1 three rational numbers. The two methods also. First method also, second method also. Are you doing the both methods also? First method and as well as n is equal to 3 x y d value calculation. That also you did it?
No, I only did the first method.
Okay. Use that second method also now.
Okay. Okay.
Now we can discuss about this kind of issue. Which of the rational numbers 3 by 5 and 5 by 7 is greater? Which one is greater we have to find out. Insert three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 5 by 7 so that all 5 numbers are in ascending order with the values. So what happened? 3 by 5 and 5 by 7, we need to find out which one is the greater. Now, 3 by 5 and 5 by 7, right?
Yes.
Now, that 3 by 5, you can multiple with the 7 and divided by 7. So 3 into 7, 21. 5 into 7, 35. Again,
Yes.
this one also what you can do, 5 into 5, 7 into 5. Finally, what we did, the denominators we made it as an equal as 21 by 35, 25 by 35. Which one is the
Yes.
greater? 25 is the greater. When 25 is the greater, 5 by 7 only greater than the 3 by
Yes.
5. Now, 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 7.
Yes.
Now, between the two, again the 5 rational numbers. Sorry, 3 rational numbers. Yes, na? While using any one of the method, average method or n is equal to, we can able to find out. Can you work
Yes.
on this? Can you work on this numerical? Now the homework is 1 point, like exercise 1A, the 10
Yes.
questions. Yes. Thank you so much.